Alternative Dispute Resolution ADR. Meaning of ADR is any method of resolving disputes without litigation outside the courtroom is known as alternate dispute resolution system. Next, evolution of ADR. Panchayats, gathering or family council, Marathas period panchayat system, Muslim period Hidayah, judges known as Qazi. Advantage of ADR: more flexibility, ADR is speedy, expenses are reduced, select your own arbitrator, result can be kept confidential, party participation, finality of awards. Disadvantage: there is no guarantee of resolution, possibility of bias, no appeal, lack of power to establish legal precedents. ADR functioning in India. In India, the law and practice of private and transactional commercial dispute without court intervention can be dated back to ancient times. Arbitration or mediation as an alternative to dispute resolution by municipal courts has been prevalent in India from Vedic times. In India, the arbitral bodies known as panchayats deals with variety of disputes such as dispute of contractual, matrimonial, and even of a commercial nature. Types of ADRs: arbitration, pre-trial mediation, mediation, negotiation, conciliation under Code of Criminal Procedure Code. Let's define arbitration. Arbitration is a procedure in which a dispute is submitted by agreement of the parties to one or more arbitrators who make a binding decision. Pre-trial mediation. Pre-trial mediation is a meeting that occurs before a trial action begins. Mediation. Mediation is an ADR process where a neutral third party, like mediator, tries to settle the dispute with the consent of both of the parties. Negotiation. Negotiation is a method in which discussion between the parties are initiated without the intervention of any third party with the object of arriving at a negotiated settlement of the dispute. Conciliation. Conciliation is an ADR process whereby the parties to a dispute is a conciliator who meets with the parties separately in order to resolve the differences. Conciliation under CPC, Code of Civil Procedure. Section 89 has been inserted in the Civil Procedure Code 1908 in order to provide for an alternative dispute resolution. Thank you.